Daily routines in English. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get up. I get up. I take a shower. I have a shower. I take a shower. I have a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I have breakfast. I eat breakfast. I have breakfast. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I go to work. I go to work. I start work at 9 a.m. I start work at 9 a.m. Ideal customers. Ideal customers. I work on my computer. I work on my computer. I eat lunch. I have lunch. I eat lunch. I have lunch. I finish work at 5. I finish work at 5. I go home. I go home. I arrive home. I arrive home. I feed my animals. I feed my animals. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I eat dinner. I have dinner. I eat dinner. I have dinner. I watch TV. I watch TV. I go to bed. I go to bed. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. Daily routine for school. Daily routine for school. I go to school. I go to school. I have classes. I have classes. I eat lunch. I have lunch. I eat lunch. I have lunch. I finish school at 3. I finish school at 3. I go home. I go home. I do my homework. I do my homework. Thank you for watching.